Okay, so now we're moving on to multiplication of fractions. And as we discussed in class, there's two steps in order to multiply fractions. The first step is to simplify diagonally, and the second step is to multiply horizontally, meaning multiplying the numerators together and the denominators together. Now, the actual multiplication sign is actually telling us which numbers to simplify. So you'll notice that there's an imaginary arrow pointing to opposite sides. So in this case, we need to simplify 20 and the number 5. In order to do that, we need to find one number that goes into the denominator and the numerator equally. To do that, we know that we need to look at the times table and find the denominator and the numerator in the same row or the same column. So if we have a look at the times table, we can see that there is a number 5 here and a number 20 here. So this satisfies the rule because we can see that the denominator and the numerator are in the same row. In this case, these two numbers are multiples of 5, which means that 5 can go into the denominator and the numerator because 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we can go ahead and now write that. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, so we've sorted these numbers out. So now these are simplified. Now we need to do the other side. So again, we need to look for one number that goes into the number 4 and the number 36 equally. So we go back to our times table and we can see that there's a number 4 here and there's a number 36 if we keep moving along the same row here. So we'll circle that as well. Okay, so we have again the numerator and the denominator in the same row, in this case the multiples of 4. So that means that the number 4 is able to go into both numbers because, as you can see here, 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we can go ahead and write that as well. So 36 divided by 4, 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, so now we have completed step 1. We have simplified diagonally. Now step 2 is simply we can multiply horizontally, meaning we multiply the numerators together and the new denominators together. So in this case, that will be 4 times 1 equals 4. And 9 times 1 equals 9. And there you have it. We've simplified as much as we can go, so that will be your final answer.